What type of rectangular prism is this?
20.
What's the base?
The base is, I'm guessing 19.
If it's 10 by 10, what would you call that shape?
Square.
Square. Okay? It's still called a rectangular prism because a square is a rectangle. But a rectangle isn't always a square, right? A square is a special rectangle. A special rectangle that has the same size sides, right? So, it's pretty easy if you wanted to set up the volume of a prism. You could say what? Some say length times width times height. Okay?
Can we write that?
You could write that. Now I like to say base area times height. Right? So for me, it looks more like this. The base area is the base times the height, the little height, times the big height. Okay? That's how I like to look at it. And that way when we talk about a triangular prism, then it's 1/2 of the base times the length, base times the height, right? Times the big height. Okay? Now this is a pretty easy way to do it. And so now I can actually just plug it in.
It's close.
So the volume is equal to what? The base is 10
Times.
feet times 10 feet times what?
Equals 100 feet.
9 feet.
What?
And now you can do all three at once. Okay? So then you could have
900 feet.
10 times 10,
100
100,
times 9 is 900 feet.
900 what?
Feet.
Feet what? How many feet are there?
3.
3, so it's cubed. Good job.
I didn't know that. So
Okay? So here, what are we doing? Division multiplication from left to right, right?
yeah.
Or simplifying. Okay? Oh, what we had to do, sorry, that's what we did after, right? After we did what? We substituted it. Okay. And that's what happens when you do it all in one color. It gets kind of confusing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's like one runs into the other. Sometimes doing everything at one time isn't the easiest way to do things. So when I do things one step at a time, when I do things with different colors, I'm doing them for a reason, not just to make it more difficult. It's actually to make it more easy. Does that make sense? Just using your pencil looks like this. And then you can't see your steps. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay? So, we're going to do the volume of a sphere next. Alright, so let's pause that.